Okay, so this is just a preview actually an overview because the markets are already open, of the markets on Tuesday, the 26th of November. I just want to quickly talk about a few things. It's not going to be a very long video. I just want to talk about gold, for instance. We can see that it's really low. The stochastic on the 4 hour chart is very low as well. We can see the small doji there. And also on the daily, we can see that it's keep on testing this level here. And I really think, we last night I heard some news on Twitter about some guys, betting that this, American markets will be moving into a recession about March next year, maybe moving into a recession. And that's the thing to keep in mind as well. When the stock markets come down, obviously our safe haven is gold, and especially when it's this low, I think there's very very nice buying opportunities here. Even if you're just plainly just a safe investor, gold is a very very good safe haven. But that again is just my opinion. It's not to say that's the only thing you can do for safe investments. There's a lot of opportunities out there. Maybe just get some professional financial advice to assess your risk portfolio. But yeah, this is just me getting a daily chart on the gold. Again, I see some buying here, some buying opportunities here. I don't think it's a very bad thing to do to actually have some gold in your stock shape of portfolio, or maybe in your investment schemes, or anything. Just to have a bit of gearing in gold, it will be great. And then again, I just want to quickly talk about the USD ZAR, the Rand dollar exchange. What I want to do is, I want to actually, the stochastic 1433 is very low at this stage. And I said in an earlier video, we are actually currently moving in a really upwards channel. As you can see here, that I've drew in on the 4 hour chart. We are currently at 1478, trading there. And I really think this is just, again, my opinion, my views on the markets. Not to say it's actually going to happen, but I really think once we reach 1485 at the top there, we maybe can see some weakening again. To the rand weakening again against the dollar. But yeah, we have to wait and see for what the markets does. The price action again. Always refer to those, and obviously your stochastics and your Bollinger Bands, and your 200 moving average. As you can see, we're currently trading on the 200 moving average, and every time we did here, it was quite a consolidation. It was quite decision time. And I think today actually is going to be decision time for the USDZR, because of just it has to decide whether it's going to keep on weakening, or maybe have a nice strengthening again back to 1471, maybe come and test 1470 again. But this channel is very nice. I love this technical channel here. Again, we see that it tested the bottom of the channel here. The support, basically, this was basically like a support line here. So we can see that it tested it here and there, and again here, and it bounced every time. So maybe we can go up to 1484 and come back and test 1478 again. But yeah, like I said, we'll have to wait and see what the guys want to do. With the US 500, the S&P 500, quickly want to talk about this as well. I'm gonna go to longer time frame, because last night we saw that it was like 2 points away from its new all-time high. So the markets are really strong. You can see all my channels here. I have to actually remove some of these because I like drawing lines. But again, the stochastic very high here on the 4 hour charts. We're gonna go to a daily. I want to show you this. It's very very overbought. We're moving into the overbought territory again. The market's being strong the whole time. It's just keeps on being strong. And if we can draw in this line, once it breaks this line, maybe it can come down. I think really maybe a relief rally sometime, maybe do sometime. But again, we'll have to wait and see, because the markets are just powering up and it's keep on being strong. So this is just a few things I want to have a look at this week. Just a quick talk on the Aussie. I'm going to go to the 30-minute chart. The Aussie is also very strong because of the S&P, the DAX, all the other overseas markets are trading up and are quite strong these past few days. So the Aussie will obviously track that. Again, Naspers as well. You have to keep an eye on Naspers if you're trading the Aussie, because it's our most geared share um, on the Aussie. And again, the BHP Billington is also a nice one to keep an eye on, just to see whether they are going up, going down, make a decision based on that. It's helped me. It has helped me quite a lot, and I believe it will help you as well. But on the 30 minute, we can see a nice trend line here forming. I will actually wait for this to maybe play out, reach the top there, and see what it does on the price action again. Maybe if they trade the bid on this side and there's volume on the offer side, you can go short, wait for the stochastic to reach the top parameters, and then maybe you can go short and see if you can make a nice profit. But again, please note all these things said here, it's just my own opinion, my own views. It's not to say it's gonna happen, it's not to say the levels I give is gonna be reached. It's just that I share my opinion, I share my views, and it's basically just to help some other people get an understanding about the market. But thank you for watching.